Nowadays, there are so many snacks items available in the stores, and we buy our kids of what they are demanding, not thinking about it's good or bad for their health. In this video, let's see some nutritional snack for kids. You can train your kids to eat these nutritional snacks, which is very much tasty and healthy for them. Yogurt. Yogurt is an excellent snack for kids as it's a good source of protein and calcium. Calcium is very much important for the development of kids' bones. Most of the store-bought flavored yogurts are artificially flavored and high in sugar. Instead, choose plain full-fat yogurt and you can sweeten it with fresh fruits or a drizzle of honey. Frozen fruit popsicles. Frozen fruit popsicles are a happy and yummy treat for kids and really quite healthy too. Most store-bought popsicles are full of artificial flavors and refined sugar. You can puree some fresh fruits according to your kids' liking and pour the mixture into a popsicle molds and freeze them. Popcorn. You may consider popcorn as a junk food, but it's really not. It's a nutritional whole grain. As long you don't drizzle it with unhealthy toppings, popcorn can be a healthy snack for kids. You can air pop your own popcorn and drizzle them with a little butter. Nuts. Nuts are high in healthy fats along with fiber and antioxidants. You can grind some nuts and make nutritional balls using dates or make some granola bars. Cheese slices. Cheese is mostly made up of protein, calcium and fat. Study shows that eating cheese is linked to better overall diet quality. Cheese provides children with high quality protein which is needed for their proper growth. Smoothie bowl. A fruit smoothie is a great option to pack a lot of nutrients into a small snack. You can also add veggies and nuts into it. With the sweetness of the fruit, your kid may not even realize you have added veggies into it. Hard-boiled eggs. Eggs are highly nutritious and extremely healthy, which is an excellent snack for kids. They provide high quality protein and several vitamins and minerals, and they are one of the best sources of choline, a vitamin that is necessary for proper brain development. Banana oat cookies. Homemade banana cookies are the excellent option of cookies, which is a healthy snack for kids. These cookies get their sweetness from mashed bananas rather than the white refined sugar, which makes it more healthier. Fruit bowl. A pieces of fruits is a convenient and a healthy snack for kids. Fruits contain fiber and important nutrients like potassium, vitamin C and A. Pieces of bananas, apples, pears, grapes, peaches and plums are examples of fruits that can be used for snacking.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.